Today I'm going to show you how to make halftone in Adobe Illustrator. First, make rectangle, hold shift and drag, gradient, black and white, change the angle, negative 90, okay, and then we go to effect, pixelate, color halftone, change your setting 25, 45, 45, 45, 45, click OK. You got your effect here. Now I'm going to show you a different angle. Select this one, Alt, drag, left click. Okay, here we can change our angle, appearance, setting color halftone, make it 0, click OK. Now we got straight halftone. Remember that we can change our gradient here and it's still active. Click on gradient, click on radial. Here you can see the white gradient and the black gradient. Click gradient tool, select your angle what you want. Okay, even you use radial or linear gradient, the angle for this halftone will remain same. Okay, now we're going to expand this shape. Click on object, expand appearance, and image trace. As you can see here, we got our weird shape. Click on setting, untick this box, snap curve to lines, and ignore white because I want to remove this white box here. Okay, close the setting, expand, zoom out. Now we got our shape. This time you can change whatever color you want. This one you can see we got weird shape. Just click gradient tool and drag the color. Okay, I repeat again, object, expand appearance, image trace, click on setting here, untick snap curve to lines, and click expand. Remember that I don't click this box because I want to show you what is happening here. Okay, now we ungroup this. This is what will happen if we don't click this box. The white will remain here. Okay, now if you forgot to click this one, just use magic wand, click this white and it will remove any white here, and click delete. Now we got our black shape. Group and change any color you want. Now I'm going to show you a bonus trick. Okay, we got our image here. I paste it here. Okay, I resize. If you want to clipping mask this image using Halftone, drag here, move image, send to back. Remember that never ever clipping mask directly with this image like this. Okay, it will not happening here. Undo here, click Halftone, object, compound path, make. Now we can select both image and shape, make clipping mask. Click yes. Now we got our image clipping mask with Halftone.